IB Physics Standard Level is a one-year physics course that IB diploma students may take at Upper St. Clair High School. Students not enrolled in the IB diploma program may also take this course. It does offer different physics topics than what is included in the AP physics courses, the academic physics courses, and the conceptual physics courses at Upper St. Clair High School. The material that is covered in this course ranges from physics and physical measurement. A lot of laboratory experiments tie into physics and physical measurement, mechanics, thermal physics, oscillations and waves, electric current, fields and forces, atomic and nuclear, energy, power, and climate change. Those 8 topics make up the core of the IB Physics curriculum. IB Physics SL also requires that students investigate 2 options. Typically, we investigate option A, which is sight and wave phenomena, and option G, which is electromagnetic waves. During the class, there will be various activities and assessments. The class will consist of lectures, where students are responsible for taking notes. Students are also responsible for reading material prior to lectures. It's estimated that an IB Physics student should be spending approximately 5 hours outside of class during the week working on problem solving, reading, or other course material. The problems that students will run into will be multiple choice, as well as short problems that may be a quick one-step problem to long problems where one single problem may have 4 or 5 different steps in solving it. There will be different classroom summative assessments. These will be different tests or projects that may be included in the course. Below the line, there are more class activities and assessments, but the ones below the line go into the IB grade, as well as some of them going into the Upper St. Clair class grade. The internal assessments are laboratory experiences that follow the IB rubrics. The Group 4 project is a project where the IB students work together and then present their findings. So the first 5 bullet points there go into the Upper St. Clair grade that students would receive on their transcript. The final bullet point talks about the external assessments in IB. The external assessments are at the end of the school year in May. They are mandatory for all students and at the expense of the student. So I want it to be clear that students that are IB diploma students or students that are just electing to take this IB course, all of them must sign up and take the IB formal assessment in May. The assessment consists of 3 different papers that are done over the course of 2 different days. The first paper, is a multiple choice test on the core material. The second paper includes short and long problems on the core material, and then the third paper includes short and long problems only on the options. Those were the last 2 bullet points that were listed on the previous page. Whenever IB is coming up with the student's score for their IB Physics SL class, they are grading on all material below the horizontal line. Internal assessments, Group 4 projects, and then the external assessments that are taken. And they will come up with a score between 1 and 7 for that physics student.